Moving to a new community? We know it's a big deal, and the Clark County School District gets it. Starting fresh is a huge step, and it's not just for the kids, right? It's for everyone.
They know that building a new life really takes the whole family working together.
And that's exactly why they created Family Support Centers. It's for your whole family.
Here, you'll find help for both students and, of course, for the adults in the family too.
Okay, so let's get into it. For students, it's all about getting ready for the classroom.
We're talking help with enrollment, immunizations, and even pediatric services to get them set. Okay, so that's the kids covered. Now, what about the adults in the community?
Well, there are English classes and family workshops to help you get settled in.
It's all about helping you gain the confidence to navigate your new home.
So, are you ready to connect? We've got all the info you need right here.
The centers are open every weekday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., ready to help you out. You can find them right at 1720 South Maryland Parkway. Super easy to get to. And hey, if you have any questions at all, just give them a call at this number. So come on by. Let them help your entire family succeed in your new community.